Hello everyone, welcome to Ivy Professional School's YouTube channel. My name is Ishani and today I want to talk about something called chart templates. I'm sure all of us have struggled when we are supposed to make multiple charts. Making charts is not very tough. However, the formatting part is what takes a lot of time. So today we will talk about creating templates of the charts that we have created. So I have created over here, like you can see on my screen, I've got a region, south, north, west, east. I've got the sales against each region and I created a simple chart. I'll create once again. I'll just select one of the cell, insert, went over here, created a simple column chart. Now this is how the chart was initially. Then I had to do a bit of formatting to make it good chart for the report. So things that I would always try to do is declutter the chart a little bit by getting rid of these lines. They don't do value addition. And I have put data labels since I do not have too many points. I got rid of this axis and I changed the heading over here, made it region-wise sales. Plus, I also worked on changing the color of the columns that we have. So once you click over here on the right side, we have the panel, changing the color to the yellow color. And I also gave a shade effect, the shading effect to the entire chart. So that is over here in the shadow, and I selected the first one, right? So once this chart has been created, now, when I'm going to create the next chart for my report, I cannot have another chart with a different layout or the colors or the style that I'm applying on this chart. But even though it's not a very tough process of formatting, but it takes time. So instead of investing our time on formatting, why not create a chart template? And we can have multiple chart templates that are preset depending on what kind of reports we are creating or depending on what kind of chart we are creating. And once the new chart has been created, then we can just apply the template on top of it. Now that we've got this chart ready, how do we convert it into a template? So select the chart, right click, and you get an option over here called Save as Template. So once you click on Save as Template, it is going to take you to a specific folder of Microsoft Office where all the templates of the charts are kept. Like you can see, I have already also created another chart template called red, yellow bar charts. And I'm just going to give this as template 1 and save. Now we've created a template. How do we use this template? How do we apply these templates? So at the bottom, like you can see, I created a tiny data set where I have the products and I've got the corresponding sales. Process of creating charts is simple. Select any one cell, go to insert, and I want to create a column chart. However, this column chart again has slight problem. The lines are there, decluttering, I have to change the color. So rather than doing it again, I can simply right click. I'll go to the change chart type. And over here on the top, you will see templates. So I have two templates, template 1, which I just created, and the previous one. So if I click over here and OK, I will get exactly the same template. Same formatting has been done. The color, the data labels, removing the lines, getting rid of the axis, everything done. And similarly, I can go back to the other template and apply this as well. So now it has become a bar chart. If you notice, these values which were over here, if we see this is 22,000, I had formatted so that the values are in 22,000 and I can write the sales in 1,000. So I've formatted the style of the labels also. So it's giving me the shading effect, it's to have the colors, it has a shape in the back end, it's got many different elements of formatting. So I hope you find this tip useful. I definitely find this tip useful and it makes my work very fast and efficient. I lose very less time in formatting, focusing more on the bigger challenges that we are facing in Excel. So stay tuned to in the YouTube channel for more of such videos. Thank you.